Chinese automaker BYD debuting its new electric supercar with a price tag of $233,000. The U9 is expected to rival brands like Ferrari, and according to the company, will be able to reach speeds of 190 miles an hour and drive on only 3 wheels. Pras, Subramanian is here with more. I don't know why you would want to only drive on 3 wheels, but
because you can, Julie.
But how does physics work? Whatever. We'll leave that one aside for a minute.
I gotta look into that 3-wheel thing. But yes, the U9 debuted today in Geneva, the Geneva Auto Show. We saw this car earlier, but this is the actual production or the launch model of the car. Only going to be sold in China here, limited quantities. You mentioned $233,000. The difference here is that this car is a pure EV, right? So Ferrari and McLaren's, they are gas-powered, in some cases hybrid-powered, so not fully EVs. I think this is a really compelling model for the money. You see the top speed there, 192 miles per hour. Very, very competitive specs there. Pretty impressive. I mean, I'm curious how this would sell in America if it came here, but we're not going to see Chinese cars here anytime soon. So,
can I quick follow-up for you? What does one do with a car like this? Where do you drive? Like, do you just go to a track and drive at 192 miles an hour? Is that what people do with these?
You could, if you were a serious sort of enthusiast, sports car enthusiast, and a track driver, yeah, you would take that to the track. But for most people, it's just, parking outsid, meatpacking.
And being able to say it could go 192 miles per hour.
Yeah. And I have this cool looking car.
Okay, got it.
Pras, I mean, one thing that's strange to me is the comparisons people are making, like it's some type of competitor to Ferrari, which I don't see that. Do you think that's fair? I really don't see that as a comparison.
I think we're talking about two different.
Totally.
People who want to buy Ferrari are not going to buy this the Yangwang U9, right? In China, maybe there's a little bit of a different story there, but the Chinese market has been very sort of forward on how much they love the brand names. They love Western luxury brands, Bentley, Porsche, Ferrari. These are Rolls-Royce. These are top markets for those brands in China. So I don't see them going away anytime soon.
Of course, Ferrari wasn't always Ferrari, so I guess you got to start somewhere.